Well, hello. My name is Tania. I am a assistant administrator for Lace and Kitchen Cleaning Services at Moore in San Juan, Puerto Rico. We came across MFS School about a year and a half ago. Before the certification, it was very difficult for people to say, hey, yes, come and clean. We went from having anywhere between 8 to 10 clients to, in a period of 3 or 4 months, we had about 40. We also started landing maintenance contracts, and one person started recommending us to the other person and to the other person. And that's how our business started growing really quick, actually. My partner and my boss, we found you through Google, started reading the reviews, and I said, hey, let's check it out. And we saw that the course was available in Spanish and that he was able to certify at his own pace. And thanks for the certification and the knowledge he acquired through the course, it had opened so many doors to us that, I mean, it's an amazing experience. Every day, our company keeps on growing and growing because by you not being certified, you're not going to get paid what the job is worth. The first thing that we get asked when we go and try to find potential clients and offer our services, like, are you guys NFPA certified? I'm like, yes, we are. As soon as we got certified, we did Burger King for a while. They were very happy and surprised with the way that we were cleaning. They did have different companies that came in and did the job on different days that we were doing because it was throughout the whole island. And even people that work there would say, hey, this is very different of what this company offer, what you guys offer. Because well, not only we did the hood cleaning, we did equipment and we made sure that everything was working properly. Because a lot of people do offer the kitchen cleaning services, but a lot of people are not properly certified. The client feels comfortable hiring us to do their cleaning because they know the job is going to be well done. And we're not only offering the clean, but we also offer the certification of inspection as well. When we started showing him what we were about, what we wanted to do, he said, this is going to work for you guys. You guys, are going to make it far. I can tell by the way that you work that you love what you do. So we're not only here for the numbers, so yes, it's a good paying industry, but if you don't like what you do, eventually you're going to lose. It doesn't matter how much money you're going to make. You're not going to be good or excel at it. But when you love what you do, you're going to make it far. And that's one thing that he did tell us one day that we met up with him. And it really stuck to us because we're here to show the world that we can make a difference just by one cleaning at a time or 10 cleanings at a time. And I mean, it's made a big difference. And people ask us like, wow, how do you guys get this to be so clean? And I'm like, well, we love what we do because they've had dozens of companies that are certified. Don't know where or one from, but they are certified. And he's been a pretty good coach, even though the language barrier is there between Angel and Christoph. But I wish Angel could learn a little bit more English or Crystal could learn a little bit more Spanish because I know them two together, man, it'll be a bomb. So it really helped us a lot and opened a lot of doors for us. And it keeps on opening doors. And I know this is not the end. Sky's the limit and we're getting there. I would say to any student that is looking forward to take the course with you guys to do it 100% recommend it. You guys have been awesome and your staff is always available 100% of the time that we need to get in contact with anybody. I want to thank you, Christoph, the school, the whole team has been amazing to us. And you'll see us pretty soon on TV.